So now I'm here. I walk down the street in the city of London, and you can see behind me there's one of the big banks of the district. Then there's another bank, and across there's like Lloyds Bank. It's another bank, and these banks are some of the major banks that are running the planet. Also, they've created this debt system to enslave people with the money system, with the banking system. So earlier in my video I talked about where the money is coming from. So the money is coming from essentially trees, and these trees come from the planet. So these guys that are running these banks are thinking they own the planet and they own the humanity. So it's pretty crazy. If you look into this, just open up your mind. If you like research. So coincidentally, I was cut off. I don't know if coincidences exist or not. Yeah, I was just here at the banking district talking about it, where it comes from, and suddenly my stream got shut off. So yeah, they created this banking system, this money system, to create this illusion that people are running after, and it's really just to enslave the people, to chase after something. And yeah, it's pretty bad, but it's going to change. And I think soon this planet won't be having a money system. There's going to be something like a free trade exchange system. The society will change, and we're gonna move on without money and without having to cut down trees and destroying the planet while doing this. And yeah, so this were some thoughts I wanted to share about the banks today. You might want to look into this a little bit further and deeper to get an understanding about it. So they essentially, back in the days, they tried to, they took trees, made paper out of it, and then they wrote some numbers on it and said, here, there's money. I'll give you $100. I loan you $100, but you're gonna have to pay me back $110. But these 10% interest are never put into circulation. So it's essentially an enslavement system. The interest rates for the banks that we just saw here behind me, they could never be paid back. So essentially someday it might collapse, or we'll move on to some different technologies that we're like seeing these days coming up, like cryptos, and they are going to get their hands on this. So it's going to be interesting times at the moment. So this is all I want to share for now, and I might check with you later.